Solving systems of equations word problems, worksheet for all problems, define variables, write the system of equations, and solve the variables. At a restaurant, the cost for a breakfast taco and a small glass of milk is $2.10. The cost for 2 breakfast tacos and 3 small glasses of milk is $5.15. Which pair of equations can be used to determine T, the cost of a taco, and M, the cost of a small glass of milk? Alright, so I'm not sure if your assignment asks you to actually solve this system of equations, like if this is like part A, part B. So I'm going to just set up the variables and I'm going to solve them for you. So if you need them, great. If you don't need them, that's okay. But you can at least see how you would do it. So we know, it's always good to write out your variables. We know that at a restaurant, the cost for a breakfast taco and a small glass of milk is $2.10. So let's just call T, which we already know, represents our breakfast taco. Breakfast taco. Breakfast taco. Can I spell? Yes, alright. Breakfast taco. And we know that M represents our glass of milk. To be more specific, our small glass of milk, but it doesn't really matter. Now we know that at a restaurant the cost for a breakfast taco, so that's going to be T. Or you could put, actually I'm going to put 1T, just so you can see it. You don't need to put the 1T, it's actually better. It means the same thing, but when you get into higher math, they'll just prefer that you write the T, but we can put the 1T for now. Actually, yeah, I'm just going to put the T. You can always put 1, though, in front of any variable that doesn't have a coefficient. So T, which represents our breakfast taco, plus M, which is our glass of milk, equals 210. Now, I'm not going to write 210 as 2.10. I think that's harder. If you have a calculator, it's fine, but I'm just actually going to write cost in terms of cents. So we're going to write 210. Which is going to make our arithmetic a little bit easier. And we know that 2 breakfast tacos and 3 small glasses of milk is $5.15. So 2 tacos, so that's going to be 2T plus 3 glasses of milk, so that's 3M, equals $5.15. Again, I'm going to write cost in terms of cents. Now we have a system of equations which we can use to solve by addition. So to solve this system by addition, I'm just going to multiply the top equation by -2. You could use substitution here, but addition is probably the faster method. If you like substitution, go ahead, use it. It doesn't really matter. So if we distribute the -2 through both terms, we get -2t minus 2m equals -420. And then we get 2t plus 3m equals 515. Now just simplify from here. -2t and 2t, they cancel out. -2m plus 3m just simplifies to m. And -420 plus 515. I'm just going to grab a calculator. -420 plus 515, that gives us $95. So m equals $95. Now, remember, cost is in terms of cents. So a glass of milk costs 95 cents. Now to find the cost of a breakfast taco, we're just going to plug a 95. I'm just going to circle this 95 right here. Just going to plug a 95 back in for m in either one of our original equations. So we're going to get t plus 95 equals 210. I'll just put parentheses around that. Just subtract 95 from both sides. And 210 minus 95, 210 minus 100 is going to be 110. Add 5, we're going to get 115. 115, yeah, I just want to make sure. A little bit tired, so I don't want to mess up any arithmetic. All right, so T is 115. So we know that a glass of milk is 95 cents. Sorry, not $95. $95 for a glass of milk, that would be a bit much. 95 cents. And we know that a taco is 115. Remember, cost is in terms of cents. So cost is 115 for a breakfast taco.